Okay, some more theory for you guys. I know most people hate theory, but this is very important, and this will help keep you out of trouble. What I want to talk today is something I noticed on the forum nobody talked about much, was inductance or XL or impedance. And it's very important to know this stuff, because if your stuff isn't working, this could be a reason why, maybe not working the way you want it. Anyway, I like using this is a Sparky one, by the way, and I like using the 555 timer down here. And the reason for that is I can adjust the frequency of the circuit, this charging circuit. One of the important things with the inductance is that it can be used for a good thing, a bad thing, but in this case here we're going to be using it as a good thing. On ZVS or ZCS, they operate, or even Royers, they operate at resonance, and at resonance you're going to get a lot of current being pulled, but the thing is, it's really hard to control that. So I'm going to show you a way of doing it using inductance, reactive inductance, or impedance to change the current flow. Anyway, this circuit here is set up at 68 kilohertz, and that was what the Coilcraft transformer recommended over there. So this Barnes one, I know that it's 20 microhenries and it's 2.93 DCR on the primary, but I don't know what the frequency is supposed to be in this circuit, because each circuit's different. Anyway, I'm going to show you that the current is going to change as the frequency changes with this Barnes transformer. The problem is that I don't know the frequency it wants. So when I start changing the frequency here, and I'm going to be taking it up, you're going to see as the current is actually going to start to rise, and then you'll see it start to fall as we go above resonance. All coils have their own, all step transformers and coils have their own inductive reactance. And let's get started. I'm going to get my assistant to hold the camera. She's just going to follow my hand. So I'll turn the circuit on. I want to show this. As you can see, I got a 50% duty cycle, approximately. I'm going to be firing. I'm going to be firing at 10 hertz. Now you can see the current right now is about 4.3, and I'm going to start changing the frequency now. And watch the current. You're going to see it. Like I say, you're going to see it's going to go up, and then it's going to drop as we get past. And all I'm doing is raising the frequency. I'm not changing anything else. You see the current is starting to climb. And plateaus, and we start going down again, and the frequency is just steadily going up. And as you can see, still sparking away. So as you can see, we can use this to change the reactance on the coil. So what I'm going to do is set it for max, and then I'll measure the I'll set it for max, and then I'll measure the trimmer pot, see what size of resistor I need. Used was 100K in there, so we'll set it for max. I'm going to be dropping the frequency because we're too high. Impedance is too high. I want to get maximum current transfer. I keep the screwdriver in the pot. There we go. Going up. Still going up. Oh, it went down. So right about there. Maximum current transfer. Well, that's about it. Thanks.